If you're looking for a soap that will even out your skin tone, brighten your skin, and make you achieve that beautiful skin, this is a soap you want to try out. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make tomato and turmeric natural soap. So this is a pure natural soap, that will brighten your skin. In fact, this is a soap you want to try out. And the juicy thing about it is that anyone can make the soup and it's easy to make. So what you need is one medium tomato. Make sure it's washed, then you grate the tomato. So what we need is the tomato juice. So if you have another alternative way of getting the juice without adding any water, that would be fine. So the reason why I'm grating is to get the juice proper. So after grating, you're going to use a cheesecloth. You're going to transfer the tomato. They are going to gently squeeze out the tomato juice. Just take your time. Okay, so this will help us get the tomato juice. Okay, so here we have the tomato juice, and here we have our soap base. So this is a homemade soap base, glycerin soap base. You can learn how to make it by going to my about page to get access to my training to learn how to make this glycerin soap base. So once you get your soap base or any glycerin soap base, all you need to do is just to cut it into chunks like you're seeing. So this glycerin soap base is highly meltable. Like I said, if you want to learn how to make this soap yourself from scratch, because this will save you a lot of money, that is if you learn how to make it yourself, just go to my about page. You're going to see a link there to take you to my digital store where you can have access to my trainings and how to make this particular soap. So after chopping this soap or cutting it into smaller chunks like this, the next thing you're going to be doing is to be transferring it into a heat resistant plate like so. Okay, so back to our tomato juice, you're going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric powder helps to brighten your skin. It helps to even out your skin tone. So this soap is going to brighten your skin. It's going to make your skin look amazing. So as you guys can see, I'm gently stirring it. So make sure you mix the turmeric and the tomato juice very well. So next is to melt our soap using the double boiling method. Okay, so our soap will gently melt. Okay, so as you guys can see, our soap has melted. You're going to give it a good stir. So guys, this soap is what you want to learn how to make. So gently give it a good stir and make sure that the soap is fully melted. Okay, then after that, the next thing you're going to introduce is the tomato juice mixture. Okay, gently add that, then you're going to give it a good stir. Guys, this soap is easy to come up with, and the amazing thing is that it's very effective. It does not only brighten your skin, it also hydrates your skin. It will not strip off your skin's natural oil. Okay, so after mixing and make sure that it's well incorporated, the next thing you're going to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel will make this soap very hydrating and moisturizing. So this soap will not strip off your skin's natural oil. So this is a soap you want to make, and this soap is suitable for all skin type, irrespective of your skin type, whether you have an oily skin, you have a dry skin, you have a combination skin, you can use this soap. This soap will work just fine for every skin type. So after that is mixed, you're going to gently remove from heat. So here we have the soap still hot. Okay, you're going to add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. Once you add the vitamin E oil, gently stir very well. So like I said, this soap is what you want to try out, guys. You're going to really enjoy this soap. Then add quarter teaspoon of preservative. So the preservative will prolong the shelf life of the soap. So once you add the preservative, gently mix till well incorporated. So guys, this is an easy DIY effective natural soap you can come up with. As you guys can see, you can come up with this. Anybody can come up with it. So once that is done, you're going to get your mold and you're going to transfer your soap into your mold. Okay, I'm using a silicone mold, so I don't need to start greasing it. But if you're not using a silicone mold, you can grease. You can also alternate with your soap dish, then you grease with oil, then you pour in the soap. So once you pour in the soap, you're going to leave in room temperature, okay, for the soap to solidify. And as you guys can see, our soap has solidified and it's time for us to get it off the mold. And as you guys can see, our soap is looking so good. So our soap will easily come out from the mold because it's well solidified. Just take your time. And guys, here we have our tomato and turmeric brightening and hydrating soap. So this is a soap you want to try. You're going to love this soap. Your skin is going to love this soap. Are you trying out this soap? As you guys can see, it's easy to come up with, and it's a soap that will help to brighten out your skin, even out your skin tone, and make you achieve that beautiful skin. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.